Virtue as a criminology student in First City Providential College. As an FCPCian, we need to follow our rules, such as wearing the prescribed uniforms and tapping of IDs in Gate 1 so that you can enter in the campus. And of course, as a criminology student, we need to follow our goal time. Don't be late and come on time. Studying criminology is more fun when you follow the ethical values and standards. In criminology, sidesteps the traditional virtue. It is a sign of giving respect to our upper. Studying in FCPC is a good choice. It has its mission, vision, core values to mold you to become a better person. I am Maria Cristina Ibaragari, a second-year student taking the course Criminology, and I can say that by following ethical virtue, criminology students learn to act with integrity, honesty, and fairness, promoting trust and accountability within the system.